Good morning guys. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Almusal po ito. Medyo late na dahil kagigising lang. Ayan guys, kain tayo guys. Meron tayo. Bali ito guys ay binili lang po namin. Ayan. Ayan guys yung ating meron tayong putlong. Ayan, dalawang putlong. At ayan. Ayan, puro kakanin, Pilipino kakanin. Ayan guys. Ayan. Puto with cheese on top. Ayan guys. So, and, binili po namin yan dito lang malapit. Ayan, may palabok. May dalawang palabok. Merong leche plan. Merong yema. Ang tawag? Yema cake. Yama cake and ube, halaya. Ayan. Ayan guys. Kain tayo guys. Kain po tayo. Ayan guys. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Ang ating puto with cheese. Yummy guys. At ang ating putlong. Ayan guys. Yummy. Thank you for watching guys.